Many of you might want to use a brush effect to highlight something. Today we will learn how to create an animate brush effect. First, we will create a rectangle shape. Change its color to yellow, but you can choose any color you like. Then go to Effect and search for Roughen Edge. Apply this to the rectangle shape layer. Now go to Effect Control where you can see the Roughen Edge effect. From there, set the border to 70%. End sharpness to 10. And straight white and height to 15. You will now see a brush-like shape. Next, go to the effect again and search for linear wipe. Apply it to the layer and then go back to effect controls where you will find the linear wipe setting. Turn on the keyframe for transition completion and set it to 100%. Move 22 frames forward and set the transition completion to 0. Also set the feather to 15%. Now if we play it, you will see that an animated brush effect has been created. You can change the wipe angle to adjust the direction from which the animation appears. If you want the animation to last longer, simply increase the distance between the keyframes. Additionally, if you want to change the background color, move the layer up and create a color map. In this case, I choose red. Place the color map layer below and you will see a red background. To lower the opacity of the background, click on the background layer, go to Effect Controls and reduce the opacity to 50%. Now if we play it, you will see the background become semi-transparent. For more animation like this, click out to our other videos and subscribe to our channel.